This video gives a quick list of practical ways automotive services can get ahead, save time, and make more money by using AI. Strategy 1. Run AI-optimized ads that rotate images and headlines for brakes, alignments, tire swaps, details, washes, and oil change bundles. Shift budget to what books real appointments and track repair orders, not clicks. Strategy 2. Kick off employee-generated social. Techs, advisors, and wash teams share quick shop moments while AI suggests captions, tags, and post times, so your feed stays active without pulling people off the floor. Strategy 3. Add a chatbot. It quotes base services, checks inventory and bay availability, captures VIN and mileage, and books in one step, while complex jobs route to a human with a drafted reply ready. Strategy 4. Personalize your website by vehicle, mileage, service history, and intent. Show next due services, relevant coupons, and the fastest way to book, with one-tap rebook for returning customers. Strategy 5. Repurpose one inspection video into shorts, a blog snippet, an email tip, and a service page clip. AI cuts, captions, and posts on schedule. Strategy 6. Publish clear explainer videos for brake jobs, tire balancing, ceramic coatings, headlight restoration, and touchless wash options. Fewer calls, more confidence at the counter. Strategy 7. Turn great reviews into short video testimonials with captions and your logo. Pin them on your homepage and service pages to lift conversions. Strategy 8. Offer a lead magnet and drip sequence, a winter tire guide, a spring maintenance checklist, or a paint protection care plan. Each email links to a simple booking path. Strategy 9. Ship 5-minute micro workshops. How to read a dash light, check tread depth, protect clear coat, choose tire load ratings. Quick clips that build trust and sell the right package. Strategy 10. Publish content and voiceovers in your top languages. Quotes, directions, and disclaimers stay crystal clear and no-shows drop. Strategy 11. Use trend spotting to add services. EV brake servicing, ADAS calibration partners, waterless detailing, rim repair. Be first in your area and capture intent. Strategy 12. Test pricing by peak hours, bundles, and memberships. Unlimited wash tiers or quarterly oil change plans. AI finds breakpoints that raise revenue without pushback. Strategy 13. Add helpful upsells at checkout. Cabin filters, wiper blades, alignment checks, clay bar prep, wheel sealant. Increase order value and reduce comebacks. Strategy 14. Delegate admin to an AI assistant. Build base schedules, set parts holds, confirm appointments, and send reminders by text and email. No-shows drop and days run smoother. Strategy 15. Rewrite service pages and FAQs in plain language. Outcomes, time on site, warranty notes. Clear pages convert better than jargon. Strategy 16. Send ultra-personalized follow-ups, a service recap, an underhood photo, and a tip based on the work performed. Customers feel informed and return on time. Strategy 17. Plan events fast. A free dash light clinic, charity wash, tire safety day, or lease return prep night. Budgets, vendors, and promo posts generate in minutes. Strategy 18. Turn services into products. DIY kits and videos like wash at home, interior care, wheel protection. Strategy 19. Turn products into services. Mobile detailing routes, pick up and drop oil change plans, monthly wash memberships. Recurring revenue smooths slow weeks. Strategy 20. Listen for live intent in neighborhood groups. Need a mechanic open Saturday? Best place for ceramic. AI drafts a fast, helpful reply with a booking link. Strategy 21. Spin up an instant design studio. Menu boards, coupons, underhood tags, window clings, before-after carousels. Export print and social sizes in minutes. Strategy 22. Speed hiring with AI screening. Techs, detailers, wash managers, service advisors, and CSRs. Use skills tags and structured video prompts to meet a stronger shortlist. Strategy 23. Forecast inventory for filters, oils, brake pads, tires, soaps, towels, and coatings. Tie orders to seasonality and bookings so you never sit on dead stock or run out midday. Strategy 24. Cut energy costs. Optimize compressor duty cycles, bay heaters, HVAC, and lighting schedules. Savings fund staffing and new equipment. Strategy 25. Run a promotion idea factory. Rainy day wash specials, new mover offers, fleet intro packages, teacher or veteran days. Test quickly and keep what fills the calendar. Strategy 26. Offer AR previews. Let customers see tint shades, wheel styles, paint correction results, and coating gloss on their own model. Confidence rises and support tickets drop. Strategy 27. Supercharge loyalty. Tailored perks like free vacuums, every third wash upgrades, oil change punch cards, and VIP bays for members. Rewards match each customer's habits. Strategy 28. Keep your Facebook group lively. An AI helper welcomes new members, posts weekly maintenance prompts and links to guides. Community chatter turns into booked jobs. Strategy 29. Forecast demand from weather, school breaks, paydays, and tire seasons. Staff correctly and price peak periods. Slow days get promos, busy days stay smooth. Strategy 30. Monitor Google, Yelp, Facebook, and Nextdoor. Respond with drafted messages that match your voice. Fix small issues fast and amplify wins. Strategy 31. Use market insights to add offers. Windshield chip clinics, rim straightening, headliner cleaning, EV interior packages. Build what customers keep requesting. Strategy 32. Coach sales calls and front desk chats. AI prompts clarity, empathy, and clean option framing. Advisors convert more with less back and forth. Strategy 33. Host webinars and live Q&A. Tire choices, ceramic care, winter prep, ADAS basics. Add captions, chat summaries, and instant follow-ups with booking links. Strategy 34. Automate paperwork. Inspections, estimates, invoices, release forms, warranty docs, and fleet bids. Turnaround is fast and records stay consistent. Strategy 35. Localize content. The right units, road conditions, and examples for your city. More drivers feel understood and book faster. Strategy 36. Tune customer flow. AI suggests tweaks for check-in, waiting area, and exit signage. Lines move faster, upsells land cleanly, stress drops. Strategy 37. Trigger review requests after first visits and every major service. Direct links to your profiles. Low scores route to a manager with a drafted make it right message. Strategy 38. Send short personalized welcome videos. Say the customer's name, what to expect, and where to park. Show up rates and satisfaction improve. Strategy 39. Gamify engagement. Mileage milestones, wash streaks, seasonal photo contests, tire swap leaderboards. AI tracks points and picks winners fairly. Strategy 40. Share your brand story. A simple animated video on why you opened, the standards you follow, and your team culture. Pin it on your homepage and in new customer emails. Jerry, Rachel, Mark, John, Jay, Nicole, and Tom at 10weekbrand.com are ready to help you choose the highest impact moves and implement fast. Click below to request details about a 10-week plan at 10weekbrand.com. To roll out one or more of these in a focused 10-week plan, text your email address to 413-749-BOSS. That's 413-749-2677.